right? You typically have three shades, right? You have your light shade, you have your dark side, and then you have your middle. And you can see that here to a certain extent, right? So this is your light one here on the top. This is your middle on the side, and this is your dark on the side. Just because this one's actually covered up a little bit by this side. You also have a lot of light coming through these, which means that it disperses some of the light that's coming through. And this is just one example of ice and these reflective materials.
Yeah, so the whole discussion is about translucent, transparency, just reflective art and reflective objects, glass, mirrors, water, ice,